When we talk of this exclusive update, what we are picking up, let's put out as we speak of the CCTV footages that are now being thoroughly examined. Now, this is said to be, when it comes to the CCTV footage, in a grab of that I-20, the car that is said to be identified from that parking space. Now, what is being said that that car was parked for nearly 3 hours. Thereafter, it was moved out, and it was slow moving when it comes to that very moment that this explosion was reported. But there is said to be an individual who has been masked, and he's wearing a mask, and this blast suspect, what has now been said, is said to be captured in those CCTV images that has now been examined. This is the exclusive footages that we are bringing across exactly when we speak of the blast suspect, as in now been seen in those CCTV footages. And this car was said to be parked for several hours before it was moved out, and thereafter this massive explosion was reported.
There on the screen, you can see exclusive CCTV footage that has been accessed by Times Now. Let's tell you about what we know about this I-20 car so far. We're learning that this car was parked there near the Red Fort area 3 hours before the blast took place. Around 3 o'clock, this person parked the car, and the blast took place around 6:52 is what we are learning. Other than that, the first owner of this car was Salman. He was detained by the police and taken into custody. He revealed that he sold the car to a man named Tariq. So all that is being looked into as far as the ownership of the car is also concerned. And we're learning that there's a connection to and a link to Umar Mohammed, Dr. Umar Mohammed from Pulwama, who belongs to the same terror network as the two doctors arrested before the Monday raid in Faridabad. So all of these angles are being looked into by the police as far as the blast is concerned. Those are the visuals on your screen of the parking site where this I-20 car was parked for over 3 hours before it was moved. Other than that, what we know so far is that it was a very slow-moving vehicle, and as soon as it stopped at the red light, there was a high-intensity blast.
So it is still unclear whether it was one individual or were there other occupants as well present in the car. But as the Union Home Minister said, that all of the CCTV footages are being thoroughly examined, and all possible angles as well that are now being looked upon, as far as because the impact of this explosion was such, and the resultant fire that we are looking at, nearby vehicles, adjoining vehicles that were also wrecked, they were mangled, and pictures that has been showing as far as when it comes to the state of the vehicles is concerned, there was shattered glass that lay on the road. But this is that very moment that is now been picked up. Of course, this could be one of multiple CCTV footages that is now being examined. The entire area is in a way secure with CCTV footages, but remains to be seen exactly when it comes to the identity to be established of this suspect in the car. Is this suspect said to be Dr. Omar, who managed to flee when the Faridabad anti-terror crackdown was being done, or is it someone else linked to the same module? All of this, especially when it comes to are there any other occupants as well in the car, all of these factors now need to be established as far as the investigative agencies, we are told. But this is around 6:52 p.m. last evening when a slow-moving vehicle that stopped at a traffic signal at near the Red Fort and thereafter led to this massive explosion. Till now, what is being said that at least 8 people have lost their lives. So, Priyank, when we speak of the investigative angle and what has now been picked up in that CCTV footage, the car being parked for several hours, was the same individual who parked the car, was the one to move the car out after several hours? Were there other occupants in the car as well? The suspect is seen wearing a mask. So all of these angles are part of the ongoing investigation now.
Yes, Rati, Amita, these footages are once again establishing the timing, because the timing is very important, because what we saw that around 3:19, this vehicle, the old model I-20 car, entered in parking area, and later to that around 6:39 and 38, the vehicle can be seen coming out. But there was only one person who was sitting on the driving seat. Other individuals were not there, which clearly means that the suspects who were there on the other seats of the vehicle could not have been there, because they knew that the visuals can be captured on CCTV footage, and the person who was driving the vehicle was also wearing a mask. Let me tell you that what could have happened. This is a stretch of the carriageway which comes from Old Delhi railway station area, and this is the blast site location, which has been totally covered by the BDS team of the National Security Guard, which is still analyzing the samples. While the vehicle was parked just behind these white curtains, the vehicle took a left curve and it started moving towards the Daryaganj area where the blast actually happened. It is quite possible that the driver could have also not survived in this particular incident. If he was some suspect for the agencies, then certainly that becomes a Fidayeen model. But that is not the scenario, because we are yet to get the confirmation regarding the involvement of the driver being there with any kind of terror module. But the pattern is clearly suggesting that there was a clear-cut indication that the vehicle could have been filled, the boot space could have been filled with explosive, because without good quantity of 5-10 kgs of explosive, this kind of impact could not have happened, because the debris and the parts and the remains of the vehicles as well as the remains of the bodies were thrown 200 meters away from the blast location, which is right behind this particular curtain. So the suspect knew for the fact that his visuals would be captured on the CCTV footage of the parking area, because that's what they have been watching in all these parking area here in the national capital. So knowing the fact that he took out the vehicle, knowingly that his face
well,
would be captured.
the whereabouts of the driver still said to be unknown, but that is also now being ascertained. But there has been a glimpse that has now been caught in that particular CCTV footage, which is exclusively that is there. You're watching on your screens right now. Of course, this is part of the sensitive investigation that has been taking place. As the Union Home Minister said, all possible angles are being investigated. Delhi police are registering the FIR, and stringent when we speak of these sections that have now been invoked in the UAPA Act that has now been said as part of the investigation that has now been initiated. Continuous ground reports that have been coming in. The national capital completely have been fortified. High alerts that have been sounded in adjoining areas and in major cities as well. Continuously getting you the live updates only on Times Now.